What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? So I started the bro split 2 days ago. So I did chest the first day, and then yesterday I did arms. I did biceps, triceps, and forearms, but I actually don't like that, so I'm going to try another split. I'm going to try the push-pull split. So today I'm going to do back bicep and traps, but I did biceps yesterday, so I'm going to skip out on biceps today. Tomorrow I'm going to do legs, and then the next day I'm going to do shoulders, chest, and triceps, and I'm going to try that because then I can work each muscle twice a week. So Monday would be chest, shoulders, triceps. Tuesday would be back, biceps, traps, and might throw in forearms. And then Wednesday would be leg day, and then Thursday would be back to chest, shoulders, triceps. You guys get the point. So I'm going to try this push-pull split and see if it makes any difference working those muscles differently, because I usually do chest, tricep Monday, back, bicep Tuesday, shoulders, traps, and forearms Wednesday, and then legs Thursday. But I'm going to try this split, see if it does anything different, because it kind of breaks my days down more into a 6-day program with one rest day. I usually do a rest day on Sunday or Monday, just depends how things lay out. So tomorrow I'm going to actually do a rest day, but today I'm going to do back and traps because, like I said, I did biceps yesterday. So I'm going to see how this goes, get you guys in on some of the content, see if I like it more than my usual split I'm doing now, and I'm going to give it a shot. So I'll see you guys at the gym tonight. I'm going to start with lat pull downs. I already did my warm-up, so I'm going to do 2 more sets of these, change the bar, and do a couple more sets. I'm just going to change my videos a little bit. I'm going to play some music and show you guys just some montage of my whole workout. And I'm going to move on to seated pulls, and then I'm going to move on to the same rows I usually do, and then finish out on the seated lat pulls. But other than that, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of my traps too. I'll do traps after that, and then I'll be done for the day. So here we go. That last set because I don't know, I think it works for your delts, but I also think it's good for your upper back. A lot of people don't know with that machine, but I work rear delt twice a week anyway because they take longer to grow. So I'm gonna do these now, so I'll show you guys a little bit of those. I did last set too, so pyramid 12, 10, 8, and I'm gonna do that with these and then move over to bent over rows, and I'll be done with back. I do 2 sets of these after, 2 sets of 12, and I'll be done with these. Today because I do too much of the same shit usually, so I'm changing up a little bit. And this video will be more fun to watch anyway. Set. I'm gonna go up more and do 10 and then do 8. I did 14 there, but I'm gonna do 12 and 8 basically, and then I'll be done with these. Here's some from the back. And then one more set of each, and that's usually it. But I usually do the last 2 sets till failure, front and back. And then that's it for traps. What's up, guys? We just got back home from our workout. I'm still trying, like I said earlier, this new split, push-pull split. Tomorrow is a full leg and ab day, so I'm going to do that. And then next day is chest, shoulders, and triceps, because you basically restart the routine. But I'm going to give it a shot for a week, see how I feel. If I like it, I'm going to continue doing it, because I do like that you hit each muscle group twice a week, and I think that's really good for muscle building. But I'm going to give it a shot, see how it is. I'm going to make my protein shake and call it a night. So thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and Nick's out.